About half a barrel. We gonna be dry by the end of the week.
Man, don't be trolling me like that. It breaks my concentration and gives me frustration.
Oh, come here, bro. Don't get mad. Come here, bump it out. You Alain's friend? Ha! Just in time.
Alright, we stop by Jack and Merrick's, borrow their chopper, and then...
Borrow? You thinking you might return it?
Man, you know what I'm saying? It sounds better to say borrow.
So we borrowed a bird and then?
We hit the prison and bust out our moonshine.
Straightforward. I like it. Get to the chopper. We'll coordinate the getaway on the phone.
Suspect spotted! Got a fish.
It is good to be out. 5 years I've been in. Felt more like 50. Now, let me guess. In return for this, you or whoever the hell you work with want me to make moonshine for you. Well, so long as you've got a shack in the woods, a portable radio, and a couple of dirty magazines, I'm your fella. I was getting tired of Miami anyhow.
Oh, you got skills. Be nice to work together again.